Welcome everyone. It's gonna be a nice session, I hope. Everyone, here we are gonna be watching what is happening regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum price on the weekly close, where I'm gonna be checking out what we are expecting for this weekly close that everyone is actually wondering, since we are in the top of the symmetrical triangle regarding Bitcoin price. So guys, the whole thing right now is that we are going to be checking out if this technically is about to break to the upper side or to the downside, because yeah, things are looking really bullish at this point. We have been expecting this. We said it many times. We said that we are going to be checking out what is going to happen within the weekly close and of course the Sunday night. And this of course depends with the price of Bitcoin at this point consolidated to approximately 62,300, 62,400. So the CME futures is actually showing price of Friday close at 61,300 as far as I remember. But here guys is the first time we are watching at this point Bitcoin being over the price of the CME close on Friday after so long. So this is something that no one is mentioning, and we are here to say that because Bitcoin has been really far away from what happened last time. We have seen the CME closing on Friday at 61, like lower price of what Sunday is at this point. So the thing right here is that yes, we could see some further price action to the downside if we are going to take this bull flag scenario at this point to back to the price target where the 61,300. This could be a confirmation and validation for a breakout to the upper side. The next 12 hours are looking really bullish, I could say that. And of course what I see is that the momentum waves at this point are looking really bullish on the 12-hour chart. That says that the next 12 hours could be really great. Where could this take us further on? This could take us further to the upper side, to the approximately 62,000, 62,500, 62,900. This is the point where we are watching. But guys, to be honest, if I would see a scenario playing out at this point and then coming to break the upper side of the triangle and then we'll go all the way up, yeah, then yes, we have many places to watch. Well, as far as you can see, I have noticed here the 14th of November. Okay, so what I say is that the price targets we should notice is of course the 65,000 for sure. Is going to be most likely a point where we are gonna get some rest for Bitcoin for a while, and then the 67,000, 68,000, and then further price action to the upper side approximately 70,000. We are gonna be watching also the CPR by KGS, very nice CPR we are going to be using for the monthly to see how this is going to play out. We are really bullish. We mentioned this many times. We said yesterday after this price to the downside $60,000 level, we watched it yesterday's price target as far as I remember. So I told you guys that I am waiting for further price action to the upper side and a very nice weekly close above the 61,300, where the CME is actually at this point after we are gonna be opening on Sunday night 000 UTC time. Then yes guys, alligator is showing really great. Okay, confirmation for the upper side. I wouldn't bother in case we are coming to retest this support line, okay, after breaking after many days. So yeah, confirmation to the downside would be very nice scenario. And yeah, and then yes, I would see this breaking to the upper side. This would be the perfect scenario, and this is going to happen to the approximately 3 days and 12 hours from now. Is going to be broken either to the upper side or to the downside. Now you will ask me, what is your chances checking the downside at this point? Guys, things are looking really great, okay, and I would say that breaking to the downside is not my my case right now. I mean, I wouldn't bother to see this breaking, even the triangle to the downside, and this would be to the 57,392 and to the 56,500. This would be entries for me. This is what I'm expecting, and for no reason I'm shorting Bitcoin at this point. So of course, if you have any questions, you can just write down in the chat. We are going to be watching, of course, Ethereum price, and what I see at this point is that Bitcoin is looking very, very healthy, good. I told you that I'm not expecting this support line to break to the downside. I mentioned this the whole week, and this is what is happening. This is what we see. Insane supports are holding very nicely. So guys, here is just one thing that becomes a little bit tricky, because as many times as we are testing a report, most likely is to break. The same for resistance lines. But at this point, I'm saying to you guys, don't get like impressed in case we are breaking to the upper side. Just confirming, 14th of November, I see Bitcoin to the approximately 70,000. After we break the 70,000, yeah, well, yeah, this is going to be mentioned further on. We have price targets. We mention what could happen in this case. But guys, I listen many opinions regarding people turning bearish directly. I was saying to you guys, even to the worst cases, that Bitcoin is looking so healthy right now. There is no reason to stress in case we don't break major support lines at this point. So in case this breaks to the downside, I told you the two levels to watch at this point, okay? But what is happening is that we break bull flags non-stop, guys. I mean, come on. If you take A, B equals CD scenarios, they take you the further price action to the approximately 70,000. You see, as far as I've also mentioned, the previous days is looking really bullish. So let's take a breath, take some break, and of course I'm returning back so we can watch also Ethereum price targets. Of course, thank you guys for being here. Very nice to have you on board. We are going to be watching, of course, what is happening regarding Ethereum price, and if you have any further questions, it would be nice to just write them down. And we are going to be watching what is happening regarding Bitcoin, of course, to the shorter time frames as well, and what we are watching at this point.
up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining again. Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again? Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again? Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining again? Raining again.
Welcome everybody, don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications. And this is how you make us happy so we can make it happen. So guys, what we are watching right here is that Bitcoin at this point is very nice consolidating, okay? This is a symmetrical triangle where it has the chance to break to the upper side because of the divergence we are watching in both Williams R and R side. So they're asking me if and how long this parabolic run could last. Well guys, we have seen multiple times that, of course, in the higher time frames, as far as you can see right here, I'm gonna be also mentioning that if we are gonna close and open the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves at this point, as far as you can see, the last chance for Bitcoin to fly is technically now. It's technically November. So you would ask me, so you don't believe that this can take any further, like December or January? Well, yes guys, of course there are many things on the game right now. The bullish thing is that we broke the major resistance in the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. So what I'm watching at this point is that if this, of course, 89,000, 92,000 level is going to break the upper side, then the parabolic move will be on the game directly. So I'm watching this finishing between November and December in case this breaks to the upper side. That's my opinion regarding the Bitcoin parabolic move and what I'm expecting at this point. This is what the history said and not me. Okay, so I'm returning back to the chart, checking the smaller time frames at this point. I'm gonna be closing that one. And what we are watching here is that, of course, okay, in the 4-hour time frame, we have seen this bounce to the upper side. Okay, let's open the relative strength index. Okay, what we see is that the bullish divergence have been playing out very nicely. What we should see right here is this bearishness to break, because if this one will actually give some power so this can reverse to the downside, what we should see is that this would retrace after it reaches the 62,900 to the downside and most likely break to the upper side again. This is what is happening. This is the most logic and many points and what we are expecting in general for Bitcoin. What is the tense is that, guys, listen, when everyone is expecting the price to break to a level, reach the 51,000, I'm listening people say 51,000, 52,000, 53,000, this level is never coming because everyone is expecting something like this. If the fear and greed index, as far as you can see right here, okay, we are in a very decent number, 73. We are not in extreme greed. We are in greed, but not in extreme greed. So I would say that I cannot see this falling to the downside like a 40 or something. So this is not the case right now. We are in the last and most parabolic move to happen right here. So yes, I don't believe that the parabolic move is late. Okay, it's the parabolic move will come. You will see this happening. You will not believe in your eyes. And yes, guys, bad or good, this is the exit point. You should start taking profits, because if you don't take profits, you will be this 92% of people that they are losing their money. In the end, they are ending up with nothing in their pocket. This is not something you want, so you should start taking profit after you see the 70,000 level. And this is my opinion. This is what I believe. Now, what is the unlikely scenario to happen is that yes, it could break to the upper side, maybe reach at the 65,000. Maybe we would see a kind of big corrective wave. This would be the damage. But the month that came, this the monthly insane close was technically one of the best things that could happen in the Bitcoin price right now. Okay, so please guys, just focus in the big picture. Okay, you see the weekly chart is looking extremely bullish at this point. We don't have any kind of divergence playing out, bearish divergence. There's nothing like this. Okay, you see even like the monthly chart is looking insane, guys. As far as you can see, this insane body close for Bitcoin was technically the best thing that ever happened. We should see this pattern playing out. We need at least 1 to 2 green candlesticks playing out. So this month and next month they should be green at this point. So could we see a rejection in December? Of course, everything is in the game. When we see a parabolic move, the most likely scenario is to break to the downside. You never know what is gonna happen. So right here, what I'm watching is that what the history says is that this should be one of the last green monthly candlesticks. Is it gonna be the last one now or the next month? Is something I don't know. I cannot reply to you. So yes, it's looking really great. We have some way left to go, and this way left, it could be the 135,000 as I mentioned. And the next question is, are you expecting that the 135,000 can happen by the end of the month? Yes, guys, it could. Maybe you will call me crazy, but the 135,000, it could happen technically until the end of this month. Okay, we watched this happen in the past, like these percentage numbers, they came and of course they took over within some moments. Okay, so you saw a Bitcoin pumping within 5 days in an extreme level. So this is what I'm expecting as well at this point. This has been a mirror to what happened back in 2013 for Bitcoin. So yeah, it's just one green candlestick left, to be honest, and that's what I'm expecting as well. So this is what I have to say. We are looking extremely bullish at this point. Maybe some kind of consolidation left. Don't be afraid of that. If we are gonna be breaking to the downside, what I'm watching is those two levels. We are returning back to speak more about the Ethereum price, and of course, if you have any kind of questions, I told you, just write down in the chat group and we are gonna be watching. Thank you.
been told if you're looking for someone to hold, you'll be left on your own. Holding me closer, closer, closer than I've ever been to life. I never felt so right. I never felt so right. Holding me closer, closer, closer than I've ever been to life. I never felt so right. I never felt so right. Holding me closer, closer, closer than I've ever been to life. I never felt so right. I never felt so right. Holding me closer, closer, closer than I've ever been to life. I never felt so right. I never felt
Back for the last analysis for Ethereum, guys. What we are watching at this point is that, guys, really, this is looking, of course, bullish. But what I should say is that there is not so much time left for Ethereum. We should be watching this last pump happening or not. So, yes, the last take profits for this last pump that I'm watching right here is in this green area where we are watching that I have designed in the past. So what we should see is that this could break to the last time to the upper side until we see a further downside action, without this meaning that Ethereum has to dump so far. Okay, so what I'm saying is that there are support lines right here. Okay, you could see these breaking down to the 4,200 to the approximately like 3,900, but this is not something you should worry about, because Ethereum has, of course, something else to watch further on. Because, guys, while the money is moving in the market, what we are watching is that the money leaves from Ethereum, goes to Bitcoin, from Bitcoin goes to Ethereum, and this is what is technically creating market structure for the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Okay, so not the Ethereum US dollar chart, but the Ethereum against BTC chart. So we should see, okay, if we are going back to the chart of Ethereum regarding Bitcoin, Ethereum is technically taking over the last 3 to 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks as far as I remember. So that's what I'm watching right now. Okay, so you see at this point what is happening. This is the Ethereum BTC chart. Okay, we have insane pumps happening right here, small consolidation. We should see this dumping anytime soon. Williams R is technically overbought. What this says is that we should see Bitcoin taking some field in this battle. We should see this retracing to the downside. So yes, we have like a last pump right here at 0.077 as far as you can see, and then most likely to break for a while, consolidate until the Bitcoin it's gonna reach the last levels of this parabolic move we are expecting. I don't say that Ethereum will dump so far, but in case Bitcoin is dumping to the 58,000, 56,000, then Ethereum for sure will dump further to the approximately 3,900 as far as I see right here, or between 3,900 and 4,200 level. Okay, so this is the dangerous area about what I'm talking about, and what I would do at this point, so you guys have it as well. You can also design it. Okay, I would take a rectangle right here and I would make it like a red zone at this point. Okay, as far as you can see is this one. Okay, I could just change it to red, so then guys you have further things to watch right here. Okay, of course this would look very nice in case it comes retraces, so we can find a support level, so we can see some further price action to the upper side for Ethereum later on. Well, right now Bitcoin is really stressing out many people. They say, oh yeah, is it going to pump, is it going not pump? Well, I'm saying to you guys, next 12 hours are looking really great. Okay, so let's go back to the Ethereum chart. It's looking nice, it's looking nice. Maybe we could see this going to this very nice green area where I'm going to be taking profits from my Ethereum trades, what I have open right now. That's all about also Ethereum. Please don't forget to smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get all the fresh content. Don't forget guys that in the Crypto Miner Academy we are educating you in crypto, something that no one is doing, technical analysis in crypto, and also many people educating you in what we are doing right here. You can see, you can subscribe, you can join the Telegram group, the Telegram chat for free. Insane news, Discord is coming for VIP members. It's going to be open for like some days only, so you have to go on the Telegram chat and say that you're interested to join the Discord group. It's going to be insane. We are working very hard on that one, and it's going to be ready very soon. You will be announced. And don't forget that you can go right here, join the academy, spam in, you can just write your name, you can come in contact with us so we can do the best thing for you to learn technical analysis, understand what is happening, and let's understand, of course, what is happening further to the charts right here. Okay, so guys, at this point what I see is that things are happening like we say. And yes, I could see some kind of resistance point right here as far as we saw back in time as well, but this is about to break later on maybe or tomorrow. So just please be cautious. I'm saying this because many people are getting attached and all their emotions are technically following up what we are saying in the videos. This is not a financial advice, okay? So this is an entertainment reason why we do this very nice video. And what I'm saying is that I could see this coming a little bit back to retest. Don't get afraid. Maybe we will see this touching the 59,900. Don't get afraid about this. Well, Monday opening is looking great. We could see a retrace back in Tuesday, but the only thing that I should mention is that because it's the first time we are watching this scenario playing right now for the CME, is the fact that what is happening where Bitcoin is opening in a Monday 000 UTC time, Sunday night, Monday morning, then the thing that we are noticing is that the price doesn't have the guts to retrace directly. So this means that even if we are gonna see a kind of gap on Monday, you shouldn't worry about it. You shouldn't worry because this can easily pump all the way up and reach the 135,000 and then retrace back and just close this gap. Guys, come on, we are at 60,000 level, okay? So if this could be the bearish scenario, this could be the bear market, and we are coming back to the 60,000 to find support, and I really don't have any kind of problem to tell you that yes, this could be a gap, and this can take us back in these kind of levels. So don't stress about it in case we break to the upper side, because I said to you guys, Monday is looking very bullish. It's going to be the first time we are leaving a gap for the CMEs, because we break to the upper side and we are not coming to retrace 60,000 right now. Most likely it's going to come, but not yet. The theory of gaps, it's somehow tricky because we left gaps back at 9,200, back at 5,000 as far as I remember. We never came back to see what is happening right there. Can Bitcoin come back after 10 years and cover these gaps? Something I don't know at this point. What I'm saying to you is that we are very bullish. The month is looking very bullish, the week is looking very bullish, the daily very bullish, and the 12-hour very bullish. What could I say after I see this very nice chart playing out at this point for Bitcoin? The AB equals CD scenario is taking us all the way up right here to the 82,000 as far as I see. So that's what I'm expecting as well for the Bitcoin to the upcoming weeks. That's what I'm thinking, what I'm saying. I have been bullish. I told you after we broke this major, major level, I'm gonna design this line to you. After we broke this, I told you guys we're technically in a bull market. Yes, we are staying right here. Okay, so we are staying right here. It's very bullish, and I told you after we break the 0.618, we have been together in this very nice trip. We made tons of money. Thank you for everyone, especially our students from the academy, that they trusted to make millions, thousands. We are very happy for them. We are very happy for what Bitcoin is showing us. A very nice trip together with Ethereum. We have been experiencing very nice bull market. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one of Crypto Minder.